Welcome back everyone. So I'm going to unbox a 2S Lipo which I have purchased from robu.in. This is the continuation of the video where I have unboxed the ESC for brush motor. So this is how the packing is. It's 80. It is very lightweight actually. It's 850 mAh 30C 7.4 volt 2 cell Lipo battery. I just have to change the connector. So as you know, this is the ESC. I have to connect this to here, and this will go to the motor, brushed motor, and this will go to the receiver. This wire is for receiver. Okay, let's just check the voltage. .8 volt. Yes, as you know, this is just a 2S Lipo, so that's his limit. And let's check the weight of this, how much it weighs. Okay, so this is our weighing machine. Let's check the weight. It's had 70 grams. It weighs around 70 grams actually. That's interesting. Very lightweight battery. And this thing weighs around to 10 gram, 30 gram. It will just 25 gram. And this is 60 gram. Yes, that is it. So thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel to get more update. Thank you.